Okay, here we are at day one of a new project. All the work that you see so far was not done by me. I am here just to finish up the tile work for this contractor, so I gotta set all the walls and grout everything. The floor is already set, got some pebbles. This is day one. Just prepping everything right now and going from there. This is what it looks like right now. Prep work is definitely not up to my standards, but I'm here just to help them out and get this job finished off with this contractor. So this is what she's looking like. A lot of work doing this one, but I'm gonna get her done good. So that's where I'm at, day one. You guys, day two of this project. Cleaned up the floor yesterday, grouted it, and I sealed the pebbles, waterproofed some areas over here. Did some layout work, and I just got finished pretty much staging the whole area. Getting all this stuff up here is about 3-4 hours of work. So a lot of work, but I got it all prepped up, ready to go. So today I'm going to protect this floor here, protect this floor, and then start laying out the wall tile going up and down horizontally. I already know where I want to be, like stacking it, but I mean left to right, whatnot. So just got to continue a little bit with the layout. I'll be able to start setting today. That's the goal, is start setting, go from there. Day two. Alright guys, so we are back on site. Came in yesterday, finished setting up staging area here. Did some more with the layout. I was able to cut and set this back section here. This is like almost 9 feet left to right here. Couldn't make it exactly center, because if I did, I have a real sliver here. So I had to bump the layout over this way just a little bit to make that work. So these windows are not centered, this opening here. You can see this side shorter here and that side's wider. But it came out really good so far. Then I got these pre-cut down here. So I'm gonna bring up this wall probably to this area here, maybe up to the 3rd row, maybe 4, I'm not sure. But they're gonna be short in tile. They won't be here at the end of next week, so I have this amount of tile to work with until then. I probably will run out, but I had nothing to do with getting a tile on this project, so not my issue. So if it delays me, I'm gonna have to do something else. We'll see. But this is what she's looking like so far. This tile is very difficult to work with too, because you got this real textured face on it. And the thing it gets on it is pretty much stuck to almost immediately, so I'm trying to work clean as possible as I said here. But that's what she's looking like so far. This is day 3 of this project. Okay guys, here we are back on site. Today is day 4. This is where I'm at so far. Got this left wall up to there, right wall up to there, and that back wall. So I'm going to continue on. Go from there. I got these half walls to do, and then bring it up around the sides here. Then every jamb here is going to be getting some quartz pieces all cut for in there. So that's what she's looking like so far. Day 4. I'm going to continue to go here, get her done. Alright guys, so we're back on site. Today is day 5 on this project. Came in yesterday, able to get this area set, and I had to build down these windows for the layout for it to work out decent as possible. Again, we're going with the designer, which they wanted the garage joint to roughly meet with the top of that stuff over there, top of that quartz. So that's what we did, and these windows are in there, so that way we can move anything. So making the layout work as best as possible. I'm going to continue on with the install, go from there. Here we go, day 5. All right guys, here we are back on site. Today is day 6 on site. Came in yesterday, put a couple coats of liquid membrane on top of the window just to ensure waterproofing is solid. Brought up this top row and I set this area over here. Came out pretty good. Valve cut takes a lot of time. Cutting around the niche in a valve takes a lot of time. Every one of these tiles here are cut, so nearly the whole day for this area, but it's set, good to go. I'm going to be running out of tiles soon, but it should be in the next few days, so I might have a day or two delay, but I'm going to do what I can on this back wall. Hoping to have enough tile to at least get around these windows. That way I can at least put the quartz around the inside of them and whatnot. So that's what she's looking like so far. Day 6. Okay, here we are back on site. Today is day 7. Came in yesterday, went up around these windows. Very time consuming, meticulous work with this stuff. It came out really good. So just gotta clean up any edges. This is a marble, so I could just polish it down, get it to look real good. Came up around this area here, and I did the bottom of that niche and the bottom of that one. I like to do the bottoms first. You could do them last if you want. It's more critical on the cuts, so it takes more time. But I like to, if there's time on the job, is other things I could do. What I'll do is I'll set the bottom one, make sure it's perfectly level, pitched, and then basically finish off the rest of the niche. From there I could do everything else now. So today I'm just going to continue on and go from there. Day 7. Okay, here we are back in site. Today is day 8. Came in yesterday, was able to dry fit, cut, set these all level left to right, and then pitch in towards the shower. That's all set around that. Got the whole thing framed out. Same thing with that one. Believe it or not, that took me all day. I got here about 8:45 and left at 4. So it pretty much took me all day. I do have more tile now, so today I'm sort of coming off around the window there, then come up above here, then bring this wall up. That's what I'm hoping to get done today, but we'll see. One step at a time, because everything I do here is pretty much cuts. I got a cuts hole to the ceiling around the window, then that side and that side's a cut on that wall. So anyway, day 8, continue on, go from there. That's what she looks like so far. Give you guys a close up. This kind of work we do here. Everything precision cut, a 16 perimeter joint around the whole thing here. More or less a 16 joint. That's one of them. Same thing with this side here too. So came out really nice. Okay, we are back on site. Today is day 9. Came in last week. Today is actually Monday. Came in Friday. Cut and set all the tile on the top there, this wall here, and around the window. So that was a long day, a lot of cutting. Today I'm aiming to cut and set all those in. Put the quartz around these windows, cut and set those. I'm not sure if I'll get all 3 of them done, but at least 2 of them, potentially that. Then I got the back of the niches to do, and that will be all the tile that'll be set. Not sure if I get it all set today, but whatever it takes. And once that's all done, then we just got to finish sealing the walls. Floor is already sealed, and grout everything in. That's where we're at, day 9. Okay, here we are back on site. Today's day 10. Got everything set yesterday. All the quartz around the windows, and you can see all precise cutting here. Came out really good. On this side, this one here, and the back of the niche as well. Those are hard to get in there, so I couldn't make the cuts really tight. I had to give myself a little bit of play. But that's what it's looking like right now, day 10. Today I'm gonna clean up everything, seal the walls, and then grout the floor, which is already sealed. So that's the plan of attack today. Keep on going. There you go, day 10. Okay, so we're back on site. Came in yesterday, sealed the walls, grout out the floor. Just gotta get one more wash on the floor here, clean up around the drains, protect it, and then we're gonna grout the walls today, clean up the site. I'll be on to the next project. There we are, day 11. Okay, that's all she wrote. Got 2-3 washes on the walls. They're still drying right now. That's what she looks like so far. Came out really good. Here's the floor. About 4 washes on that. Came out really good as well though, but that's what she looks like. This is about a 9-foot by 5-foot shower. A lot of work into this one. I got 11 days just setting the wall tile. I did not set the floor tile, but they grout everything here. They grout this floor too, but did not set this floor. So, that is what we got, guys. On to the next project.